Hi guys, welcome back to Just Two of Us. This is your friends right here, and today I'm going fidget toy shopping in Target and in Five Below. We're supposed to be going to the toy house, but she over here trying on these hats. Look, y'all see this? She trying on different old people hats.
Don't do that.
It is old people hats.
Dude, I love this. This is so cute.
They're ugly. We're supposed to be going to the toy house, but she over here trying on these hats. So y'all see what she trying on? Look at this. Look at this.
What's
this giving trypophobia. This is trypophobia.
You don't know style.
This is style. This Ohana is style. This is a simple outfit.
Hey y'all, so we headed to find fidget toys. She only gonna have 60 seconds.
Oh.
Yes, like I have to make this interesting.
It's not up for discussion. It's 2 stores, 2 minutes in each store. That makes sense.
You talking yourself out of a fucking fidget spinner spree. Anyway, 60 seconds, period, end of discussion. I really ain't into this damn fidget toy shopping anyway. Let's go. Okay, y'all, we right here at the toy aisle, and Serenity got distracted by books. And that's one thing I can say about my child. She loves puzzles and books. But the time has started now. You either get what you gotta get.
Hey, no, it's not.
Yes. Serenity, it started.
Okay.
You literally wasted 20 seconds looking at books, so go. Fidget toy.
Oh, this is fidget toy, right?
What is that?
Oh, this is a fidget toy, a poppet.
What is it?
It's the poppet.
A poppet. Okay, let's go.
And this.
We used to have these back in the day.
I won't ask it.
Answer the
Get a
question.
puppy.
Are you going to get a puppy? What did it say? Let me see. I can't see.
It doesn't say.
It's inconclusive. Shake it again.
Am I gonna get a puppy?
Okay, let's see. Let's see.
It didn't say nothing.
Let me answer it for you. No. Sorry, girl. I'm sorry.
So next we are going to Five Below.
I'm sorry to bust your bubble, but you only got like $10. Okay, sweetheart, you literally got 30 seconds left.
Oh, I do?
Yeah, you do. Baby love, you got $10. You got $20. So you do the math. Fidget spinners, does that count as fidget? Why did I tell you that?
Yes.
All of this stuff is fidget toys.
Oh yeah.
Is it?
So I think I got all the fidget toys.
Yeah, I think so too. I got everything too. She forgot about all this stuff we just got from Target. What's that? Oh my God.
Jumbo.
Is that slime?
No.
Because if it is, you ain't getting that shit.
No, it's squishy.
Do it bust open and leak out slime?
I don't know.
Ugh.
I don't think so.
Are you sure?
I think it leaked out water.
Oh no. Lego. Yeah, we headed out to check out. She'll let y'all know what she got when she get back to the house.
And I'm back from my fidget toy shopping. So I'm going to be showing you all that I got from Five Below. It's in this big bag. So first, I'm going to start off with the poppet. The poppet. This is a like tie-dye pop it. And it is so satisfying. It has this good big side. Look. Oh, well, that's it. Next, I have the kinetic sand, which I don't know if I want to open it in my bed. I'm not going to open this kinetic sand now in my bed. So this is a neon pink kinetic sand and stuff with it, which I'm going to do like, you know, the TikTok videos, how they be in the sand at the beach and like press it down and like do the pop it. Yeah. So that's all I got from Target. Then down below I have this machine. It's really big. Get out of the dang on pan. Get out. Look. Get out of the pan. I beat you up. See? And yes, this is a fidget. It's like a big slime ball, basically. But it's not full of plastic. I was looking at the Orbeez, then I was like, no, I want this one. Because I keep wanting this one. It looks so satisfying. I want to pop it, but there's no nasty if I pop it. Be like, I can't throw it away, it's a mess. So, that's with that. Big pop it. Next, I have an off-brand poppet, which is called, I have an off-brand poppet, which is called a Bubble Burst. This is a blueberry waffle. Somebody tried to hit them, but I found them. So basically, it's like a blueberry waffle, and it has a printed out blueberries on there, and like syrup and butter. Wait. Not a very good product because it's like what materials out here. But I literally just got this. It got like a paper sound. See? That. I actually had one of these before, but I popped them all out. Like, yeah. After that, I had got this. The top below had a lot of fidget stuff. This is a fidget spinner. I've been looking for a fidget spinner everywhere. But who didn't have it? No. Y'all didn't want to have it? Dang. I already lost it though. You remember when fidget spinners, like, y'all remember when fidget spinners was popping? Yeah, I had one. I had got one for my kindergarten graduation as a present. I was so happy. Guess what happened? I lost it. Now y'all want to have some. This is a blue fidget spinner. And y'all like these circles on them to like move around. Pretty cool. I don't know why we thought fidget spinners was so cool. I used to be able to do it on like one finger. I don't know if I can still do it. Oh, I can. If you asking what that is, that's my something cooking in the oven. So yeah, that's all my fidget toys. Like, comment, and subscribe. And the comment, I don't think we're gonna have a comment of the day here. So, well, the comment of the video here. So, whoever said I did idea in the comment section will be shouted out in our next video. We'll pop up on the screen at the end or at the middle of the vlog. So bye. I hope you have a good day or good night. Well, bye.